I suppose if you could comment on those sorts of objections, like, okay, how come we seem so separate and that we don't know what one another is thinking, for example?
Can you see the contents of your kitchen at home at the moment?
No.
Does that
by memory.
Does that imply that the pots and pans in your kitchen appear in a different space from the objects in this room? Or is it the same space?
It's the same space.
It's the same space.
Yeah.
Just because I can't see your thoughts doesn't in any way imply that your thoughts appear in a different space from the space in which my thoughts appear.
Okay, I'm taking that a little bit further. Like when the same consciousness viewed my kitchen yesterday, this is the same consciousness. I can't view it right now, but it's still the same.
You can't view it now because your point of view has changed.
Yes.
You are now located here in Burlingame, whereas previously you were located at home. So your point of view has changed, and the world you perceive changes accordingly. But you know that whatever it is that is perceiving this room is exactly the same as whatever it was that was perceiving your kitchen yesterday. It's the same you. Is it not you that was experiencing your kitchen yesterday?
Yes.
Is it not the same you that is experiencing this room?
Same me.
Isn't it the same you that was experiencing whatever you experienced as a 5-year-old boy?
Yes.
What you experienced then is different from what you experienced now, but that which experienced then and that which experiences now are the same. You call it me. Do you not feel that you are now the same self that you were as a 5-year-old boy?
Absolutely.
What is it in your experience that accounts for the feeling, I am always the same person, given that none of your thoughts, feelings, sensations, perceptions, activities, or relationships are the same? But where do you get this undeniable sense of, I am always the same person? Where does that come from? It must come from something in you that is consistent, that remains present throughout your changing experience. What is that?
It's being.
Consciousness, or being. Yeah, exactly. That's the only element of our experience that doesn't change, that remains consistently present.
And it could be the same being sitting in the seat up there, seat back here, 2 different points of view, but it can still be the same being, is what I...
Yes, but you have viewed the world from innumerable points of view in your lifetime.
Yeah.
But it's always the same viewer, the same consciousness viewing from innumerable points of view across time. Over the period of your lifetime, you have viewed from numerous points of view, considering that the same consciousness is now perceiving from numerous points of view across space, not across time, across space. Now there are 100 points of view in this room, just like you've had millions of points of view in your life. Now in the world there are billions of points of view, billions of views of the world, trillions of views of the world, if we include all the animals. But there's nothing to suggest that there's more than one perceiver. Just as it's always been the same perceiver in the millions of views that you've had during your lifetime.